I want to make a quick video about the Ford F350 7.3 liter Godzilla motor. This is a brand new unit, 500 miles. I've got 13 of these units, and every single one of them, cylinder number 2 misfire. And I'm going to show you what it causes this. These hoses right here are touching the coils, causing them to wear, causes it to start arcing on these hoses. So what I've had to do, there's no Ford service bulletin on these or recall. What I do is I secure these up and out of the way and to prevent that from happening. But if it's already doing it, cylinder number 2 misfire, change the spark plug wire. It's not your coil, it's a spark plug wire. It wears it out in here, and it'll throw a code on a check engine light and it'll start running real rough. But every one of my Godzilla motors, 7.3s, are exactly the same. These two hoses right here, they have one secured point here, that after that they just bounce around. So I just pull them up and secure them up out of the way, and that should resolve your issues.